In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change Roblox keyboard controls, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, to actually do this, you have to do it in-game, and it can be in any game that you would like to change the keyboard controls. And what you're going to do is either click Escape or click on this Roblox button at the top left, and you're going to click on Settings. Now, there's a few things that you can actually change, and the first one is the camera mode. So there's either default, classic, follow, or camera toggle, and I just want to keep it as default. And the movement mode. Obviously, the default one is using your keyboard, so using WASD or the arrow keys, but you could also use it as keyboard and mouse. If I wanted to resume with keyboard and mouse, I am actually going to move with my keyboard and my mouse, as you can see. And something else that you can change is the movement mode to be click to move. So if I were to do that, I would be clicking to actually move my character. Now, there's several different things that you can do, but it's not as in-depth as it would be in different video games. That's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.